Hey guys, for this video guys, kakain muna kami ngayon guys. Kainin namin guys, ice cream, silika ice cream guys. Ano guys, birthday 3-in-1. Ang flavor nito guys, OB, mango, and avocado. Ito guys. Tikman natin guys. Ito guys, kasama ko guys yung ano guys, pamangkin ko. Halika na dito lang. Tikman natin guys yung ice cream guys. Okay. Ito na guys.
Kadeng, kapatin mo ako.
OB flavor guys. Yung OB guys. Tikman natin guys.
Tikman ko din. Yung avocado.
Yung avocado guys. Guys, ang sarap. Okay guys, tingnan mo. Yung pamangkin ko guys, kumakain din guys. Yung mango flavor guys. Okay guys.
Bye bye guys.
Bye bye guys.